Hey guys, so today I have Twice's 2021 Seasons Greetings, so let's unbox it. Okay, so it is quite a big box to show. The back looks like this. There you can see it. Is it the same size as the last one? We have the last one here actually. Oh, it beats it by like that much. Oh shoot, sorry. But this is comparison to last year's Seasons Greetings. We just have it in here already. So, oh jeez. I'm always so bad with these things. Oh, actually, this one's good. Ooh, it's like creamy inside. So, first thing we have on top is the calendar. I'll show that in a sec. Then we have the diary. Ooh, I like the look of this. Then I'll show that in a bit. Then you have it, the diary was in this little thing. Then we have a booklet of some sort. Then the like door hanger thingy, or is that that's the thingy that smells. It's meant to be like a perfume thing. I guess you can see with the way it looks. Then you have the keyring, the DVD for the Seasons Greetings, and then we have the photo card set. Okay, so this is the calendar part. So let's just okay, so then, then we have all their signatures here. And then you have like the outline of 2021 on the back, which looks like this. Then we have, okay, so the way this calendar goes, it reminds me of my AV6. Check that out. It's old now, but still check it out. You got good stuff. Okay, so we have Chaeyoung for January. Then this is what the back looks like. I like the look of this. It's very clean. Then we have February. Well, I don't know why I need to look. But oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Then we have March, my month, and we have, it's Mina! I mean, no surprise she's born then, but Geo wasn't for Feb, so they're switching it up. Then, did I show you this part? Then we have, we have a unit. So it's Chaeyoung, Mina, and Nayeon in the bath. Yeah, you don't need to see the back. They look all the same, and their birthdays are in a little banner. Then we have Chewy. We're on May. Then we have Momo. Then we have Nayeon. Hey. Then we have another unit, which is Jonghyun, Jio, and Chewy. Oh, cute. Then, then we have Jio. Then Sana. Then whoa! This one's so up close compared to the rest. This is Diane's. Then the right one. We have another unit, which is Momo, Sana, and Diane. Then the last one should be a group picture, I'm guessing. It's the front, yeah. Then this thingy. What is it? A photo book? A notebook? A little message book. Cute. Okay, so this is what the front looks like. And then the back. So then let's go first page. Then we have messages from everyone, I think. So we have Nayeon's. Then Jonghyun's. Then Momo's. Then Sana's. Then Gio. Then I'm always so bad at these sort of things. Then we have Mina. Then Diane. then Chaeyoung, and then Chewy. And then group photo. Ah, cute! A little unit photo. And then that is all for this little baby booklet. Then I have the keyring, which I'll take out of the packaging first. Ah, it's hanging. Then this is what the back of it looks like, and ooh, smooth. I don't know why this really reminds me of More and More. The keyring. Just because it reminds me of the pre-order set. They're like that one. You get my flow? Mm-hmm. Then the back of it is plain.
I think the writing's similar to
That's
More and More.
true, yeah, that as well. Then we have this, which I don't know if it's meant to be a door hanger or a car hanger, but I feel like it's a bit big to be a car. Oh, what? Oh, you have to cut it open. Okay. You can smell it a lot more now. Obviously, it's out of the packaging. But I don't know if it, surely that doesn't fit in your car because that is massive. I think the smell is meant to be lavender, but I don't really remember what lavender smells like. I can't remember for the life of me what lavender smells like. I feel like it reminds me of like a door hanger more. Like, as in, you can really smell it as well. But it's that big. And then this is the back. I don't know what it's meant to be. So the next thing I have is the diary, which I actually really like the look of. Because I like the diaries where they're not like
in your face.
As in, like, I like when there's like not a picture of people on it. And that sounds bad, but like it's more subtle, which I like. Also, the feel of it is like, I mean, you can tell the feel of it by looking at it, I feel. Like, you look at it and you're like, ah, I'd feel like that. Let's open it up. This is the front page to write your name, I'm guessing. And I don't know what else you'd write there, but goals in life, maybe. Then we have 2021, 2022. Then I'm guessing a picture. Oh, we have a picture, yes, picture. Then we have, ooh, I like the look of this. Then we have January. And then, oh, okay, so they've done, what? So they've done where you have like all the months at the beginning there. A lot of people like to do that. Then their birthdays are like this. There's Nyan's. 22nd of September. Then twice. Then from that we then have Gio, and she has a to-do list for once. Then I think everyone has a to-do list. We have Mina. Then now we have Chaeyoung. And is there gonna be more? Oh, is it gonna be all of them? Then we have Diane. Then we have Chewy. Then we have Nyan. She looks like she's struggling to see in the sun. Bless her. Then we have Jungyoung. Momo. Then okay, then oh, okay, so this is how the weeks are set out. I like that. Oh, I like that they've given you those things. Can I remember I had to make my own on my one. So these are what the what? These are the ones where you write in the date yourself. I'm guessing that goes on. Oh, and then you have one of these little things to know where you are in life. Then once we're done with the months, we go to a group picture of Twice. Then I thought there was something else. Then we have another one. Oh, it's just the two like unit pictures again. Does this foreshadow?
What?
I don't know, does this foreshadow a thing in the future? Units.
They always have units in like everything.
Oh, then we have a today list. I guess if you got a big day coming up. And then we go to, okay. Then we go into the bath pics. I know, they really should have made the dressing gowns. I feel like that could come one day. Okay, so we have Nayans, then we have Jungyoungs. Like like that would easily be,
Easily being merch.
yes, easily be merch. Then we have Momo. Ooh, she's got some beans. Nice breakfast. Don't mind if I do. Then Sana. Then Jio. Then we have Mina's. Then Dayan.
Little cucumber.
Little cucumbers. Then Chaeyoung. I love that she's just got a bag chilling with her. Then Chewy. Oh, Chewy, cute. What you reading, girl? Then, oh, unit pictures. Now that is cute. Adorable. Oh, they all pick their fruits. Then, oh, we have an actual big picture of them. Oh, cute. Then, oh, I'm guessing these are just like the random pages when you want to scribble pictures. And this is what the back looks like. Indent logo. It's probably a bit difficult to see, but you can probably grasp it. Then we have, I mean, the DVD, I don't know what that's gonna look like. Okay, this is, oh, it looks nice. I wonder what the CD looks like. Then the back is like this. And then the CD itself looks like this. Then the last part, everyone's favourite, everyone's favourite part, the photo cards, which are AR. How cool. I do love me some AR. Can't wait to see what they, oh. But it has this as the cover. It looks like you're getting a pre-order set. Then the back. Then let's open it up and see what we have. Okay, so the first one we have is Nayeon's card. Ah, oh, they're very thick. Maybe that's AR for you. They're very, very sturdy. I feel like recently a lot of photo cards I've got are quite flimsy, so that's probably why. Then these are what the backs look like. Then we have Jungyoung. These are very thick. Then her back. It's just the names that will change on it. Then Momo. Then Sana. Then Jio. Then Mina. Then Dayan. Oh, how cute. Then Chaeyoung. And then Chewy. So that is what you got in the Twice 2021 season's greetings. Let us know who your bias is in the comments below, and we will see you next time. Bye!